Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Stampin' Up! Haul. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So first, before we start, I have to just say thank you to each and every one of you who have purchased from me, because look at what I got. You guys, I got Stamper of the Year award for 2018-2019. And you guys, that is all because of you. Thank you so much, so very much for purchasing from me when I do Stampin' Up! And I just appreciate it. And of course, here's my host code that I already have. So many of you have purchased using that host code. And then you can always find more information at beautyandthestamper.com. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and give Stampin' Up! And me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of what I've done, make sure you hit the subscribe button. But let's open up this huge box of stuff. I tell you, every time I open stuff, I'm just as excited to get into it as you are, because I have such a bad memory. I never know what I ordered. I make a list. I'm just going to move something out of the way here. Ooh, that was an old paper punch. All right. Seeing what we have. Oh yes, I'm going to be making lots of cards, so I needed lots of envelopes. I ordered 3 sets of the Whisper White, and it looks like 2 sets of the Very Vanilla. And since I'm going to be making lots of cards, I also needed to get lots of paper. So I ended up going with the cardstock Lovely Lipstick, Very Vanilla, Whisper White Thick. I always buy the Whisper White Thick. I love it so much. And then another Whisper White Thick. And finally, a basic black. And this is replacing what I had already used. Ooh, and then check this out. Red glimmer paper, you guys. I love their glimmer paper because the glitter never falls off. It's so great. So it looks like I got a bunch of stuff that, let me grab all of this real quick. I got a bunch of stuff that just I need throughout my time here. So everything I always use, this is why I say my time here, because basic pearls, I always need basic pearls. I got one of those, and then I got 1, 2, 3 of the basic rhinestones. And I know this isn't enough, but that's how many I got, so we'll see. And then I purchased some of the that real thin, fine glue pen, fine tip. So I got that. And then these are my big ones. These are what I'm super excited about, because this was all, you know, stuff that you just need in your stash. But I grabbed another one of these Christmas countdowns. So if you don't know, I'm going to be having a class at the end of the month, so anybody who orders the Christmas countdown along with the Christmas countdown stamp set, get to come to my class. It is an online class, so we'll be doing it online, where you get to log in and see me and I see you, and we put things together and we craft together, and it's just so much fun, and there's going to be lots of prizes and whatnot. So if you, again, order the Christmas countdown and the Christmas countdown project kit, I believe you could buy them as a bundle. But get those, you guys. This will be so much fun. And then we're going to do that Christmas countdown class, and then there's going to be a second that we're going to turn the box into either birthday or Valentine's. I haven't decided yet, but it's going to be a 2-for-1. So that'll be a good, fun class. Then, oh my gosh, I have been waiting and waiting for these. We've got, what's the name of this one? Oh, here we go. The mini curvy keepsake die box. Oh my goodness, if you have not seen some of the stuff that can come out of these little curvy boxes, this is one of them. How cute is this little curvy box? So the die makes this little guy here. So I thought that was so cute. And I've seen others that I just adore. So that is this one. And then this one I bought as a set. Holy smokes. You've got these 3 things together. We've got the snow globe shaker domes. And why do I need a snow globe shaker dome? Because I have the die that's going to cut out the snow globe area and the shaker dome. What do you mean? What is that? Let me show you. Boom! Can you see that? Look at this. See this right here? You can make a snow globe with a little house in there. This one says, Season's Greetings. May the timeless message of Christmas fill your heart and home with joy today and always. Got little bits of snow there. This beautiful base. And then we've got that snow globe that can be stamped. But, you guys, it can also be cut out with these. Let me open it so you can see. Because this is just amazing. This will be something that I cannot wait to show you. And it's not just, I've seen them made into like little gumball machines, which if you've followed me for any length of time, you know that I love gumball machines. So here's that little globe that cuts it out. You could also do scenery. We've got some trees, a reindeer, a little mama and baby bear, a chapel. You can do an intricate cut on that base, or you can do a quick and easy cut on the base. And what is this? I don't know what that is. Oh, you know what that is? This is going to cut out the little house. So, oh my goodness. This is all just, I had to save the very best for last. And I cannot wait. If you want to see me make this card, if you are interested, let me know. Oh, I'm going to make one anyways, but to film it, let me know if you want to see it. Put a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite thing that I bought is. And you guys know it can be as easy as the rhinestones. Because yes, everybody loves all of this. But hello, who doesn't love the bling of different sized rhinestones? Alright, beauties. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, thank you so much. I could not have earned that Wee Stamper of the Year without those of you who support me, and I appreciate you so very much. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye!